And if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Right now, I'm showing you how I correct my eyebrow shape using my Colourpop concealer in medium dark. And now I'm going in using my favorite brow product right now, the Aqua Resist Brow Definer by Makeup Forever in Soft Brown. I'm loving it. It fills in my brows perfectly. And then I'm going back into that concealer that I used earlier to apply my mobile lid. I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow base. So the palette of choice that I'll be using is Beauty Bakerie's Proof is in the Puddin palette. And I'm going to go in to use that bread pudding shadow, which is like this beautiful soft brown. And I'm going to apply that all over my mobile lid as so. But I love this palette. It's really no fallout, especially with using this now darker like red tone brown called Warm Cocoa. And I'm applying that all over my crease area. This is like a really like just simple eye look, to be honest, but it's so beautiful. I mean, these shadows are so pigmented. And now I'm going in using that beautiful like satin foil shadow in spiked caramel. And I've noticed sometimes with foils and satins and glitters that it can be really amazing to apply them with just using your fingertips. Of course, make sure your fingers are clean. But to put on top of that beautiful spice caramel, I went into the same palette to use the butterscotch eyeshadow, and it's so perfect. You see how it just made a little oomph to my mobile lid as so, and I just applied that really in the center of my mobile lid. And now I'm using my Maybelline gel liner of choice to wing out that liner, honey. And my lashes of choice is the Double Up Lipsticks by Ardell Lashes. And I did do my face products off camera, my foundation routine. So if you're interested and you want to see that, click the card above or the link in the description box. But I am using my gel liner pencil from Maybelline to tighten up that bottom waterline, and my mascara also from Maybelline Classic Black to actually make my bottom lashes pop it. So then I went back into the same palette to use that butterscotch and spiked caramel for a nice highlight in my inner tear ducts area. And my lip products of choice, well, the first product is this lip liner in Push It by Milani, and it's in collab with Salt and Pepper. It's really pigmented. It's like my favorite go-to red, by the way, because you can actually wear this lip liner as is without adding any lipstick on top. But I just wanted you to see both ways of how it looks with just the lip liner, or if you want to apply a liquid lipstick or a lipstick, I'm applying Colourpop's lipstick that's in collaboration with I Love Sahari. And everything will be in the description box below if you're interested in any of the products. But you can see, this is a perfect palette, yes. So I am in collaboration with Dossier, and they're a French-based company that make fragrances that are inspired by top brands. And in this case, their Floral Honeysuckle scent is inspired by the Gucci Bloom fragrance. So if you want to check them out, I do have a discount code link below in the description box, and you can get a percentage off your order. But this scent, it smells just like the Gucci perfume, and it's just beautiful. Definitely go get it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.